Hello, everyone. Thank you for watching my AI analysis about various stocks, which I made mostly during winter, at least winter in Europe. I stopped making them because it was a kind of experiment. I still use this kind of analysis, but making them is actually quite a lot of work, mostly because of the video part, which is the least useful. So that's why I finished, but as the channel already exists, I thought maybe I will use it in a bit different way. And today is a good opportunity because there was quite huge growth of the price of uranium stock markets in Australia. And there seemed to be no really reason for that. And finally I found it, but it's not available in any major news channel which I scanned through. So that's why I thought you might be interested in it, and I will share it with you. Yes, so the Sprott Fund, the Sprott Trust, received $100 million, and it will use it to buy off uranium off the market. The question is, how much is it actually? It is not really that much because the market of U308 is around 5 to 10 billion dollars per year. So we speak here about 1 to 2% of the yearly sale, but on the other hand, you have to remember that uranium market is quite unstable because the nuclear plants, if they need fuel, they have to buy it. It's like, they can't stop production. And for them, actually, the changes in price in uranium are not so important because it's still like 1 to 5% of their costs. And you can't really stop also running the nuclear plant because it's quite a big risk. So they have to buy it regarding the price. And there are not so many providers of uranium because we have quite a lot of companies, but most of them are still searching for uranium. And the real producers, real miners, like Cameco, Kazatomprom, maybe a bit of palladium from Australia, but it's limited. So it's limited how you can buy it, and you have to buy it. That's why sometimes even slight changes can have quite big impact on the price. Yeah, so that's how the boss looks like in daily candles. If we take 15 minutes, that's the day growth. It started here. And here, interactive brokers also, they don't really say the reason regarding that investment in Sprott Trust. They say some general stuff, some recommendation, and this kind of stuff. And I think it's quite important because you can see that the Australian companies, that's Paladin and Boss, grew more than 15 and 17% today because the day in Australia is already finished. The yellow cake is also a trust. It's British, so it's open now, but the Canadian and American stocks, they don't grow because the market is yet closed. It's pre-session, so it's not really reliable. We'll see when the market opens. And the Americas actually sleep also. So they kind of don't know yet about that news. We'll see what happens when they find out. So let me know if this kind of videos are useful for you, then I can make more of them, not only about uranium. If I find some interesting news which are not that obviously available, I will make some short videos like this one about them. Thank you, have a good day, and good luck with your investments.